Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. Its primary cause is the burning of fossil fuels, which emits greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Human activities such as agriculture and deforestation also contributes to the proliferation of greenhouse gases that cause climate change. Number 1 is to get involved. Getting involved in climate change means learning about personal choices that can make a difference. As an individual, we have opportunities to work towards a more sustainable future no matter where we are in this world. Therefore, looking for opportunities to help collect data that will be used to make decisions about managing resources and explore careers in climate change is a must.
Be energy efficient. Humans are contributing to the carbon dioxide pollution without us knowing it. In order for us to have access to electricity, most power plants are burning coal, crude oil, and other fossil fuels. Being energy efficient will allow us to help the environment in lowering the greenhouse gas emissions and other pollutants. Start saving energy so that we will be able to save the environment as well. Choose renewable power. Producing electricity through burning different fossil fuels contributes on the greenhouse gas emissions and carbon dioxide pollution. Researchers found out that renewables could provide 4/5 of the world's electricity by 2050, massively cutting carbon emissions. It is very important to take note on the improvement of the solar and wind power system as it will help us a lot in the near future.
Eating wisely. Not only this will help us improve our health conditions, lifestyle, and avoid related illnesses, but it will be also a huge contributor in reducing our carbon footprint, especially when we stop wasting food, eat less meat and calories, eat more fiber-rich foods, eat and purchase local food that are guaranteed to help in minimizing and reducing the carbon footprint that we emit. Trim your waste. One of the major factors to a continuous increase in greenhouse gas emission is the waste that people produce. Every year, our wastes are also increasing rapidly, which triggers more the effect of climate change. But through trimming our waste and recycling, we're able to reduce the carbon footprint that it produces. And doing this will not only benefit the earth but also can save us the effect of the climate change.
Let polluter pays. The polluter pays principle can be applied to greenhouse gas emitters through a so-called carbon price. Carbon taxes make polluting activities more expensive and green solutions more affordable, allowing energy-efficient businesses and households to save money. They are one of the most effective ways to reduce climate impact.
We must fly less. Air travel contributes to the increase of greenhouse gas emissions. In solution to that, we must not be afraid to take time to enjoy the journey along the way to our destinations. We must travel by land and save the earth.
Be informed. We must be informed, we must be connected, so that we'll be able to take an action. We must be informed to be aware of the impacts of climate change because of humans' increased use of fossil fuels and deforestation. We should not remain part of the causes, but we should act for the solution.
Remember that.
Bigtas ang may alam.
Green your commute. By purchasing and investing to electric vehicle, we can save and lessen the air pollution that the gas vehicles produce. Taking public transit also helps to reduce its population on the road. Riding in a bike or walking comes a big help by lessening the climate change. Sharing vehicles to the family also has its factor to lessen the population on the road.
Through supports and donations, we can stop the climate change. There are so many existing non-profit organizations that we can donate to, such as 350.org, the Climate Change Emergency Fund, Coalition for Rainforest Nations, Clean Air Task Force, and IPIF. Their goals are to address the climate crisis, reduce carbon emissions, and to shift to renewable energy. Let us all help reduce and stop the climate change. We are the cause. So
Let's be the cure.